Hey there, y'all. Bunkle here. Hope you've been having a great day. This video, I'm going to be opening 4 packs. 1991 Pro Set. 1991 Pro Set Platinum, that is. Football cards. Now, of course, looking for the Brett Favre rookie in this one. This one, if I'm not mistaken, I have not pulled one yet. I pulled the score. I pulled the regular Pro Set. Pulled a whole bunch of other ones, but I've not seen the Favre rookie in the Pro Set as of yet. Not that I recall. I'd have to go check through the piles. Also might be looking for Bo Jackson. I mean, this set, really great looking set. Great photography, great action shots, all of that. Great players from that time. You have Bo Jackson, Joe Montana, Bruce Smith. Who else? Barry Sanders, of course. Troy Aikman, Randall Cunningham, LT. There's one error card, if I'm not mistaken, it's Aeneas Williams, where the name is misspelled on the back. But anyway, if I find it, I probably won't know because I'll have to look it up anyway. So either way, let's get rolling here. I got some frappers ready just in case I pull Favres in every pack. Yeah, that would really look like a setup, but I don't think I have that kind of pull anywhere. So let's get this all started here. And I think you'll agree. The pictures, the photography, Pro Set definitely was a trendsetter as far as that went. Their pictures were great. Now, unfortunately, in the Pro Set Platinum, I got to look at the backs to see who they are. That's a bit dinged up there, because I will not know anything. And this is bad, but Kent Hull. It's pretty bad because the names are in script also, but at least they're not in their script, right? Some great action pictures on the back as well. Really nice. Jim Harbaugh there. Chicago Bears. Oop. And that just jumped out of my hand. Well, that doesn't look like the same. That's the other bad thing about this, is the bricking can get a bit rough. Johnny Johnson. Ernest Givens. Because of the type of photo paper that they used, they will stick a bit. Although not as bad as, what's the one? Stadium Clubs. Stadium Clubs, the photo paper on those were really bad. And after 25, 30 years in a pack, yeah, they brick up real heavy. Okay. For Edmonds, and let's see, get back to those there. This is bad. I'm going to have to literally pull them apart one at a time here. There might be 2 or 3 cards stuck together. Okay, you know what? We'll just go for that one first. Great picture there. Okay, we got Pat Swilling and James Francis. And I'm just dropping things all over the place here right now. Jerry Gray. Underneath that was Jeff Kroer. And Eric Martin. So not much at all in that pack. Let's get moving to pack number 2 here. So as I was saying, I don't think I'll find a Brett Favre in all of these packs. And I was right. Look at that. I'm right for a change. I did not find one in the first pack. Ooh, well, this is a good one. It says win. I think they all say win. It's a contest that they were having on these. All right. Starting it off with Bill Parcells. That's pretty cool. Giants coach. At least it's not one of those officials cards. Tired of seeing those. But everybody knows the officials are going to win the Super Bowl again this year. Got Andre Tippett. was that, 1 or 2? It looks like 1. That might not be 1. Nope, that was not 1. Broderick Thomas. Seth Joyner. Marion Blitz. Pepper Johnson. Great Giants player, that's for sure. Wade Wilson. Yep, there's something else stuck there. Okay. All right, well, we got an Aikman. Got the concussion kid right there. Great card. I'll frapper that one up. Steve McMichael. And an LT. All right. So 2 good ones in that pack. Wait. Who's there? Knock, knock. Eric Metcalf. All right, so I'm going to frapper up that LT. And the Aikman. I guess that's the good thing about these, being that they're sideways cards. They take up more space on the wall of fame. So if you don't get too many hits, you don't have to worry about it. The space gets filled. Now, y'all let me know if there's somebody I missed. There might have been. Just want to take the second to also say I definitely appreciate all subscribers, comments, thumbs up, all that great stuff. I really appreciate all the support for the channel. It's been fun so far. All right, we got another Jim Harbaugh. Looks like they didn't. He's laying on the floor. Come on. Wake up. Got Bill Parcells again. Okay, that's interesting. Terrence Matthews? Okay, I guess so. Tim McDonald, not Tom McDonald. I don't think he played football. I know he wrestled for a bit, but he did not play football. Gary Anderson. Wayne. Yeah, good luck there. I'm not doing that. Haddix, okay. I did it. Yay. Thurman Thomas, nice. Great card there. Not totally Wall of Fame, but great player, that's for sure. Michael Carter. Bruce Hill. Chris Dolman. And Billy Joe Tolliver. Who's he yelling at? All right, we will get the 4th one going now. I definitely know I passed something up here. I had to. There's no way possible to only get 2 great pulls out of 4 packs. I'm going to have to go back through these. Vinny Testaverde. Got Ronnie Lippett. Reggie Cobb. Farrell Edmonds. Barry Sanders, okay. Great card there. I'll frapper that in a second. Ken O'Brien. If I could just get it to let go of the card behind. There we go. Okay. John Taylor. Tom Rathman. John Stevens. And John L. Williams. Okay, we got only a couple cards left here. If they'll just let go. Okay, you know what? I'm going to put that one out first. Got Mike Johnson. And our last card that does not want to let go. There we go. Got it. Is Mike Piel. So, not great. Not bad, not great, that's for sure. Got 3 frapperable cards in my mind, although there might be somebody that I passed. I'm not sure, and I'll go through these in a bit, just in case, but 3 good ones. Well, the LT, Barry Sanders, Troy Aikman. Not a bad pull. Anyway, y'all take care. Stay well, stay blessed. Bongle out.